Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful one stroke flower painting in acrylic paints, and I'm using watercolor pad for this painting. Just a regular watercolor sheet that I got from art store. This is about 6 inches by 8 inches. So first I'm doing a base coat with white and black acrylic paint, mostly white but a tiny bit of black also, to get a grayish white background. So do that in vertical strokes like this using a flat brush. And I don't add too much water, just a tiny bit, mostly no water. So you can use any white or black acrylic paint. Doesn't need to be any particular brand. So once this coating is dry, you get something like this. And I taped it onto a drawing board, 4 sides. And then let us make some flowers. For the flowers I'm using white acrylic paint and magenta, some darker magenta and also some pink color. So this is pink, bright pink, and some darker magenta also. And if this is first time coming to my channel, please subscribe and also click the notification bell icon so you get notified when I post new videos. So first I'm mixing the flat brush, almost like 3/4 inch brush. I mix with a tiny bit of white and some portion of magenta. And then you can try a sample like this on the side, how it looks. And the top portion I put magenta and the bottom portion I put white in the flat brush. Then gently press the brush and make it into a round shape, so you can see, you can get a mix of both white and rose pink shades on the flower in one stroke. If you want, you can redo the stroke again by using the same color combinations. And if it is too dry, you can add tiny bit of water to the paints. So now I'm making another petal. Always leave some space in between two petals. That looks more beautiful. So here I'm repeating the similar kind of stroke with the double colors, white and magenta. And I'm doing another layer just because the first layer was not clear. So I'm making another layer like this. And when you come to the end of the petal, just release the brush. And after every petal, you need to dip the paint, brush again into the paint, and do the similar stroke like that. Once these petals are done, I am drying this. You can use a hair dryer, but I got a mini dryer from Amazon. But if you don't have it, you can use hair dryer to dry the first layer. Now we are drawing the second layer of petals. Just follow the same process, dip it into 2 colors and then draw the second layer of petals. Then I again let it dry, this layer. Then after that I'm adding some yellow ochre and some blacks and whites into the center of the flower. For the stems, I'm using darker colors like black and some raw umber. I just mixed it and then using a palette knife and a little bit of water, I mixed the paint. And then I'm drawing some thin lines for the stems.